This is done in partnership with Arterton out of London. William and his team from Arterton has been more than gracious to include some other items. So this is going to be a pretty exciting unboxing. They are one of the more up-and-coming menswear and kind of artisanal type community-driven ateliers or just businesses that's really focused on premium products, getting things that are not usually accessible, making them more accessible, which is pretty cool. This is just a bit of a hand note from William, which is always appreciated. Admittedly, I am not the most refined suit guy, but I can appreciate well-made, well-crafted items. And that's exactly what this is. This is a pamphlet that comes with your hanger. It definitely shows you how to use the hanger, which at first glance, the surface level is like, well, I know how to use a hanger. But when you're buying a premium item like this, it's always, again, rounding out the details to show you how you should properly care for those garments, how you should properly use the different features. So it's always great when it really walks you through it. It alleviates some of the angst where somebody makes an expensive purchase and they're like, oh, I don't really know what to do with this. This takes care of that. This is from their Nakata Hanger series, and he was kind enough to, he wanted to emboss or print my logo on it from shelvage. We went with my name, and I think that makes it even more special because this is gonna be in my wardrobe for decades, years to come. And this would be something super cool to be able to hand down to future generations of my family. So finally, let's get on to what this guy is. This, for those who don't know, this is Paul Brunngard. This is a shoe care line that William from Arterton is really pioneering throughout the United Kingdom, I believe, as far as the stockist and the distributor throughout the United Kingdom. This is a line of shoe care products out of Sweden. They've been around for a while. My understanding is at least a couple of decades, but only more recently have they really kind of stepped into this new premium line of shoe care. So let's take a look at it. Once again, the boxing it's a very nice experience. Oh my, wow. The smell is definitely not a bad thing. Whew. I was expecting this shoe care box. I was not expecting this quality in this. So let's see. One quick thing, just kind of going around everything. Like, this is as solid as they come. It's got a leather briefcase handle on it. Like, now I did flip that upside down just now, so I don't know if that had anything to do with it, but whew, did you just see that? All right, let's see what we have here. The first reaction that I have when I open this, as you can see, is, yeah, excuse my language, this is effing cool. But it's only like partially full, so I'm like, where did they go? I look at the website. This is an empty valet briefcase. So it does not come full. You buy this as a way to store your products. We've got this is a dark brown wax. Dark brown wax. Artistic cream. So the artistic cream, a quick artistic cream overview. This is got to be like their version of shoe cream, like cream polish. This is in neutral, obviously, but as I'm looking at their website, they have a variety of pigments, and just like they do with their Sublime wax. This is another artistic cream that is in the black color. And then here is their Spit Shine, which I believe would be their Mirror Shine. A regular dauber brush, kind of a suede brush, or yeah, I would say this is a suede brush. And this is an edge finisher. So this is very much like the ebony stick and the Coca-Cola wood in that it's used to buff and polish hard leathers or kind of shine the leather up. So this is how you would do that on the edge of your welt. So this is a yak hairbrush, if I am not mistaken, and that's pretty cool. This is one of those brushes that I've really wanted for a while. Not necessarily theirs, but I don't know. There's something about a yak hairbrush that I really have always wanted. All of the products here, as you can see for yourself, are of quality. The Paul Brunngard shoe care briefcase is really a demonstration of high quality and craftsmanship. I still need more hands-on experience with them to report back about how much they're nourishing and caring for leathers, but it's definitely making the shoes look nice. The Nakata Hanger is really a demonstration of craftsmanship and refinement. Having my name on it is really special, and you can just see the way that it's crafted, the lines, the quality of the materials, all speak for themselves. Everything has its own experience as you open up that product, that box. It really provides a quality and a level of personal care that everyone strides for in an unboxing experience. Let me know if your thoughts. Let me know if you've had any experiences with William or any of the folks over at Arterton and what those have been like. Really excited to continue to build this relationship. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.